Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this AI platform, which is Poe AI. Help you decide if this AI will be a better AI for you to use in 2025. So Poe AI offers a centralized platform for accessing multiple advanced AI models, streaming various tasks for users. I'm talking about the pros and cons about this platform. Starting with the pros, Poe provides a single interface to interact with leading AI models like GPT, Claude, Gemini, DeepSeek, eliminating the need to switch between different platforms. It's also available on the web browser, iOS, Android, macOS, Windows, ensuring seamless access across devices. So the user can also build and share personalized AI chatbot tailored to specific tasks or preference. It's also suitable for a range of applications, including content creation, research, coding assistance, and casual interaction. And talking about the downside about this platform, the free plan offers a restricted numbers of messages, after which a subscription is required. Some users have reported variability in the accuracy of response across different AI models. It also access to certain models may require both point and a subscription, potentially leading to confusion. And here's a better conclusion. Poe AI stands out as a versatile platform for those seeking to harness the capabilities of various AI models without juggling multiple applications. Its user-friendly design and the across-platform support make it accessible for both beginners and experienced users, while there are some limitations regarding the free usage and subscription clarity. The overall functionality and convenience make the Poe AI a compelling choice for integrating AI into daily tasks.